Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I'm going to explain how to fork repository in GitHub. So let's start. So in GitHub, forking a repository means creating a personal copy of someone else's repository on your own GitHub account. So why forking of repository is needed? So you might fork a repository when you want to contribute to an open source project, or when you want to experiment with changes without affecting the original project, and when you want to customize a project for your own use, so that you can submit a pull request to suggest your changes back to the original rep. So this is all about what is forking of repository in GitHub. So let's see how to fork a repository in GitHub. First of all, log into your GitHub account. So I already logged into my GitHub account. Once you log into the GitHub account, now go to the search bar and search for the repository that you want to fork. In my case, I'm searching this repository. And let's take this repository. I'm clicking on this repository. Once you click on that repository, over here you can see the code related to that repository. And over here you can see the icon fork. So to fork a repository, click on this icon. Once you click on this icon, you can give a repository name as per your choice. I'm keeping it as a default. And then you can change the description, and you can select this option whether you want to copy the main branch only or other branches. Now I'm keeping all the options as a default and clicking on the create fork. And over here you can see the forking of repository has started, and you can see we have successfully forked a repository into GitHub. Now if you go to the main menu, and if you can go to your repositories, over here you can see this is the clean architecture. This is the repository that we have forked. So now you can take a git clone of this repository in your IDE, and you can do the changes as per your choice. So in this way, we can fork a repository in GitHub. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.